Have you ever seen the moon like this? Today, I'm going to show you the sharpest publicly available photograph of the moon ever created, a mosaic built from 280,000 individual images. But here's what you really want to stay for. At the end of this video, we will zoom into a tiny area on the moon that sparked a real debate among astrophotographers. Some say it's only a mineral reflection. Others think it looks almost artificial. You'll see it yourself, and you can decide. Let's start with the creator of this incredible image, Andrew McCarthy, an astrophotographer from Arizona, not NASA, not a government scientist, just a passionate amateur who turned backyard astronomy into something millions now follow online. In May 2023, Andrew spent weeks building what he later called Gigamoon, an image with a total resolution of 1.3 gigapixels. To understand how he made it, we need to talk about the biggest problem in photographing the moon, Earth's atmosphere. The air above us is always moving. It bends and distorts the light coming from space, making most lunar photos look soft or blurry. Andrew solved this using a technique called lucky imaging. He didn't take one picture. He captured thousands, 2,000 images per section of the moon, again and again, until he reached 280,000 frames. From every batch, he selected only the sharpest moments, the tiny fractions of a second when the air was perfectly still. Then he stitched everything together by hand into one seamless, massive mosaic. It took patience and a lot of skill. So what does this image actually show us? The moon in more detail than most people have ever seen. Every crater, every ridge, every valley, and yes, even the landing areas of the Apollo missions. But the colors surprise most viewers. The moon is not just gray. It contains natural shades of brown, blue, and red, created by titanium, iron, and ancient volcanic rock. Why is this image important? Because it proves something inspiring. You don't need a space agency to achieve something extraordinary. You don't need a billion-dollar telescope. You need passion, time, dedication. Andrew's image is now used in classrooms, documentaries, and presentations connected to NASA's Artemis program. As humanity prepares to return to the moon, images like this remind us why we go. They bring us closer. They show us the story of our solar system, and maybe our future. And now, here is the area I mentioned at the beginning. A tiny formation, unusually bright, with angles sharper than everything around it. Some say it's just minerals catching the light. Others believe it shouldn't look like this at all. Now you've seen it. What do you think? Tell me in the comments. I read everyone. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in our next journey through space.